Here we are out dirt bike riding. We're gonna go to a secret mine out in the Sierras. Here we go. What was it? Mountain lion?
Those all bees? No. Oh, what the fuck?
They're butterflies.
Oh, fuck. I'm gay as fuck. Holy shit. Look at that, dude.
I bet you there's a bear in there.
Well, fuck, you better get a stick. Kill that area.
Oh, Nick's young. You're gonna wrestle it off. Oh, that's nice and cool.
Isn't that neat?
Go ahead, Nick.
Go on in. Yeah.
Hello!
Make it yell in there.
Ooh!
Holy
We're all chicken.
Hello!
We think there might be a bear in there or something.
Need
And
a,
it drops down.
need a fucking gun.
Throw a rock.
Yeah, it goes back. What if he got thrown back at us? I'd start running. Fucking hallucinating right now, dude.
Why would you think you saw?
Grunting and groaning?
What's moving over there?
I don't know, dude.
What, did you hear something grunt? I'll go in.
I hear something. That's one.
So you didn't have a light on that motherfucker.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring my light and then do it. I have no excuse for sticking out. That's why I didn't.
Oh, I heard something too.
Yeah, throw a rock. Throw a rock.
I heard it. It was like a growling noise.
Yeah.
Someone comes running out of there. I'm just getting on
I'm going that way.
Leaving the helmets, and I'm fucking taking off.
I definitely heard something.
Yeah. Oh no! When I threw that rock, dude, there's an animal in there.
There is, huh?
Oh fuck! How would you?
I heard it too. It was like a light little growl type of thing.
Huck a rock in there, Nick. Fuck, dude. And it comes out. It's long, bro. That's sick, isn't it?
There's definitely something in there.
Mm-hmm.
There's no doubt about it.
That looks like the fucking top of the line condo if I was an animal, bro.
Yeah.
And I'd be fucking. And it's a big animal because the biggest one's gonna get that.
Yeah, that's true.
It ain't no little fox.
The survival of the fittest.
I think it's a fucking dinosaur.
It's probably Sasquatch.
Squash, isn't that a vegetable?
Yeah.
Oh, Sasquatch.
It's a Sasquatch. Let's see if we can find some
Dinosaur
tracks.
Riverbed, and then our trip's over, Nick. It's just right there. You gotta see it.